Cole here with Enter Team Marketing. I'm recording this quick video showing you how to duplicate multiple ads in Reddit so that you can make new ads faster. So first thing, we're finding the ad group that we want to do this for. It's that tofu image ads K12. Actually, remove that entity status equals active. Yeah, just remove that filter, please. And then sort by click-through rate. I'm just realizing I paused like every single ad. So let's check off those top few. So the first one, second one, all the way down to the one that has 650 impressions. So that one too, yeah. And do not check that one off. The 651. So just check off that last one. Yeah, perfect. Now, up at the top where it says edit, go down. It's below the campaigns overview. Click duplicate. So we've just duplicated the ads. Now, go ahead and go back into the task and grab that new copy that we want to use. That's in bold. Go up. Just right there. Your IT budget matters. Yep. Control C. And then edit. So start with the top ad because we're just going to go down. So edit post. So what we did is we duplicated ads with the same creative, and we're going to replace that creative or replace the headline in the ad, right? So yeah, exactly. Remove that, replace it with the new copy. Perfect. And then click submit. Now copy that first part of the text, your IT budget matters. The last thing we need to do is just change the name of the ad so that when we're looking at the ads later, we'll be able to recognize what this ad is and what makes it different from the others. Yeah, so in the ad name, the way we format names is the first section is what the creative is, all in one platform, square variation. Second section is the headline. We just changed that headline, so we want to remove that, tired of juggling multiple tools, and replace it with just like the first few words of the headline. You can use the full headline if you want to, but I think it makes looking at these things kind of difficult in the ad interface. So delete that and paste that text that you just copied. Perfect. And then just click, get rid of that double space. You're on it, girl. You got this. Get a quote is the call to action. And just keep going to the end so I can show you the rest of the name. So pricing page would be the landing page. And then we need to update the date to be today's date, 25th. Cool. Okay, so now since you've duplicated 5 ads, you're just going to do the same thing on the next page. So what I would do is just copy from your IT budget matters to the date so that you can just copy paste that into the other ads. Also, you can just click Control C to copy paste faster. Yeah, Control C. Now go into 40 plus hours, the next ad. Yeah, so boom, paste. And then, if you want to do all the names first, that's fine. Yeah, you got it. Right. Now just update the headlines. Also, I saw you go and grab that copy. Oh, hey, you didn't click save there. Yeah, be careful about that. So go back to the old ad. Yeah, see how it still has that headline? So paste the headline in. Gotta click that submit. Yeah. Perfect. Sorry, I was just looking at that thumbnail. It's kind of weird. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now just go back through the ads one more time. Make sure they all have that new headline in them in the preview. Perfect. And then click save. And there you have it. We just made 5 ads in 5 minutes. So much better than making an ad, duplicating it, making it again. Just saves you a little time. And then go ahead and enable those ads that you just made. I think some of them were paused. So under show rows 10, so uncheck the ones that you've got checked off because those are the ones we duplicated. And then at the very bottom where it says show rows, show 10 rows underneath. Other side left. Yeah, 50, 100, whatever. We just want to see them all. These will be the ones without any impressions. You can just check them all off. Now go up to the top. Next to edit, there's that 3 prongs. Click there. Turn on. Awesome. That's how you create multiple Reddit ads at once. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. And yeah, please subscribe.